Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to connect Page Pilot to Shopify store. It's very easy, so let's go step by step. First you have to log into your Shopify account, then open a Page Pilot in another tab. Make sure you are logged into both before moving on. Step 2. In Page Pilot, go to Integration. You will see this in the main menu. Then find the Shopify option, then click Connect. Step 3. A pop-up will ask you to enter your Shopify store URL. All you have to do is type it in and then click Authorized. Step 4. You will see a permission screen. Click Install or Allow to grant access. Page Pilot now has permission to work with your Shopify data. Step 5. Page Pilot will show you confirmation messages that maybe connect with a green checkmark. That means it is working. Now step 6 is back in Shopify and check apps. You should see Page Pilot list there. That means it is installed. Step 7 and you are done. Now Page Pilot can sync your products, track orders and help your store run smoother. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.